Hello students, so we are doing exercise 9.3. Okay, question 6. For what value of x the numbers 2 by 7, x minus 7 by 2 are in GP? Okay, so we have to find value of x. Now we have here, this is your A, and R we can find by taking the common ratio. Okay, ratio is A2 upon A1, so x upon 2 by 7, so you will get x, and again if you take ratio here for third and second term, then it will be minus 7 by 2 upon x minus 7 upon 2x. Okay, now this is given to be a GP, so both the ratios are same. Okay, 7 by 2 you can cancel, so you get x equal to minus 1 by x, so x square equal to minus 1. This is also minus, so this is also minus, so minus gets cancelled. So x is equal to root of 1, so x is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay. Question 7. Find the sum to 20 terms in the geometric progression. 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015 and so on. Okay. You have to find the sum. Sum is given by Sn equal to A 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. Okay. A is our 0.15 and r is 0.015 upon 0.15. So we can remove the point, that is decimal. So it will be 1000. For this it is 100. Okay. So 1 upon 10, 0.1. Okay. So Sn, that is S20, is A into 1 minus 0.1 raised to 20 upon 1 minus 0.1. Okay, 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9, so we can write this 15 upon 0.9, and this we can keep as it is. So removing the points, you will get 15 upon 9 into 10 upon 100. So 5 by 3. Okay, this is 3 1 the 3. Okay, you can write this as 30. So it will be 6. 1 by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 is to 20. Okay, next question. Question 8. Find the sum to n terms in the geometric progression. Okay, so sum you have to find. A is root 7. R is root 21 upon root 7. Okay, so this you can write 21 upon 7. So this is root 3. Okay, Sn is A 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. A 1 minus n upon 1 minus root 3. Okay, so we can rationalize this denominator by multiplying by 1 plus root 3 both denominator and numerator. So this is root 7 into root 3 into 1 minus root 3 raised to n. And this is 1 minus root 3 square, which is 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay. Question 9. Find the sum to n terms in the geometric progression. 1 minus a square minus a cube. Okay, if a is not equal to minus 1. So this is your a, first term, and r is minus a upon 1. So minus a. So Sn is a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. 1 into 1 minus a raised to n upon 1 minus a. So this becomes 1 plus a. Okay. And question 10. Find the sum to n terms in the geometric progression. Cube x raised to 5, x raised to 7, and so on. So a is x cube, r is x raised to 5 upon x cube, 5 minus 3, 2. Sn is a into 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. Okay. So this is your Sn. Question 11. Here now it is given the series. Okay. 1 to 11, 2 plus 3 raised to k. Okay. So we can write this as summation k from 1 to 11 plus k. Okay. So this 2 is added 11 times. So it will be 2 into 11. And this is 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3 plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is 3 raised to k. Cube plus dot 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 3 raised to 11. Okay. So we have to find sum of n terms. That is, this is our GP. Okay. So Sn a is 3, 1 minus 3 square by 3, so 3 again. Minus 2. And n is our 11. Okay. So this term we can substitute in here. Okay. 3 by minus 2. Question 12. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 39 by 10. So sum of first 3 terms is given and their product is given. Product is 1. Okay, you have to find a common ratio and the terms. Now this type of question is there in the examples also. So we have to take the first 3 terms as A upon R, A into AR. Okay, these are the first 3 terms. So its sum is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Okay, so this becomes A cube. So A is 1 or minus 1. but we are considering only the real roots. Okay. So a is equal to 1. So we can substitute a here. (39 minus 1). So this is 29 upon 10. So r multiplies here. So we'll get 10r square plus 10 minus 29r equal to 0. Okay. So we can find the roots. So this is 100 and minus 29. So 25 and 4. Okay. So taking common, 5. So r is equal to 2 by 5 and r is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. So the three terms of the GP are a upon a is 1, right? So we can take this or this. So if you take this, then 1r a 1 upon 2 by 5, 5 by 2, then 1, this is a2, and a3 is 2 by 5. Okay. 13th question is how many terms of GP are needed to give sum 120. Okay. So here you have to find n. A is 3, r is 3 square by 3, which is 3. 1 minus 3 raised to n on 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 into 120 divided by 3. So this is minus 81. So this is 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. And 27 3s are is 81. So 3 raised to 4. So n is equal to 4. Okay, comparing. Question 14. The sum of first three terms of a GP is 16. The sum of the next three terms is 128. Determine the first term and the common ratio and the sum to n terms of the GP. Okay. So here first three terms are given, that is A, AR sum. Okay. AR square. Then next three terms. Rest to 5. This is 128. Determine the first term and the common ratio and the sum to n terms of the GP. So if I take this as 1 and this as 2, then I'll divide 2 by 1. So if you add this, okay, you can take common A, and also you can take common R cubed. Here you can take common A. Okay. So R cube is 128 upon 16. This you can cancel. 64 by 8. So 8. 8 is equal to R cube. So R is equal to 2. Okay, so you got R. Then you can substitute R in any one of the equations and you will get A. 6 plus 1, 7. 16 by 7. So this is A, this is R. Okay. Then you have to find the sum of n terms. So Sn, so this is minus. Okay. Minus 16 by 7. And this. Question 15, given a GP with A 729 and seventh term 64, you have to find S7. Okay. So A7 is given, A is given, so we can find R from this. A7 is AR is to 7 minus 1, 729, 64 divided by 729, R is to 6. Okay. So sixth root you have to find. Either you can divide this or directly you can find. So this is 2 and this is 3. So R is 2 by 3. Okay. Then you have to find S7. A is 729. R is 2. So 2 by 3 is to 7. 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. So you can multiply this by 3.